Opening an account with Interactive Brokers involves the following steps. Visit Interactive Brokers website. Go to the Interactive Brokers website and navigate to the section for opening new accounts. Choose account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as an individual account, joint account, corporate account, or retirement account. Complete application. Fill out the online application form with your personal details, including name, contact information, date of birth, social security number, and employment information. Provide documentation. Upload scanned copies or photos of required documents, such as identification and proof of address. Agree to terms and conditions. Review and agree to Interactive Brokers' terms and conditions, including account fees, trading policies, and regulatory disclosures. Fund your account. Once your application is approved, fund your account by transferring funds electronically from your bank account or by mailing a check. Verification. Interactive Brokers will review your application and documents for verification purposes. Receive confirmation. Upon approval, you will receive confirmation of your new account along with instructions on how to access the trading platform and start trading. Set up security. Set up additional security measures such as two-factor authentication to protect your account. Start trading. Once your account is funded and verified, you can start trading stocks, options, futures, currencies, and other securities offered by Interactive Brokers.